How to hide names on Snapchat. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to keep your Snapchat notifications more private by hiding sender names? In this video, I'll show you how to easily adjust your settings so only the content stays district. So let's get started. First, start by opening the settings app on your iPhone. This is where we will customize how notifications for Snapchat appear. Now, scroll down and tap on notifications. Then find Snapchat in the list of apps and tap on it. Here's where the magic happens. Toggle off the show previews option or select when blocked for edit privacy. You can also turn off banner notifications. Now, when you receive a Snapchat notification, it will say something like notification instead of showing the sender's name, perfect for maintaining privacy. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your Snapchat notifications without worrying about prying eyes. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.